Hey guys, it is Monday at about 5:17 p.m. My buddy Matt's right here, and I are hanging out. We came across some pretty crazy stuff. We're outside the Mandeville, Covington area. We just went and checked on my brother-in-law. His house, he lives in Covington, and everything's fine. The power's out. There's no flooding, but you'll see some pretty crazy stuff here. I'm going to try and step outside, but it is going to be very windy. So check all this stuff out. Major flooding, and we're right on a river. I think this is the Covington River, which is right near Covington, Mandeville area. So check this out real quick.